Have you ever felt that sinking feeling at the end of the month, wondering how you'll stretch your income just a little further? I know that feeling too well. I used to sit with my budget trying to figure out how to make everything fit. And no matter how hard I tried, it always felt like there was never enough. I wasn't looking for luxury. I just wanted breathing room to pay off bills faster, to spoil my family a little, and to stop worrying every time an unexpected expense showed up. But working full-time left no space for second jobs, and I didn't want to give up my evenings or weekends with my family. That's when I started searching for something different. When I discovered a simple system where I could earn in dollars from my phone and keep 100% profit, I finally felt hope again. It made me realize financial freedom isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter and owning your own income stream. Comment hope below if you're ready to find your way out of financial stress and start earning extra income from your phone.